Hi there, my name is Ronnie, and in this video I have a working method for you based on just two indicators, Awesome Oscillator and CCI. This combo is perfect even for beginners. One gives a signal of movement starting, and the other confirms trend exhaustion or weakness. We'll test it directly on the chart. Several trades, both up and down, step by step. Watch until the end because in this video you'll see how a simple technique turns into a really powerful tool for trading. Stay until the end and you'll also learn an important trick: how to filter false entries and avoid blowing your account. And if you want to break down the market step by step, check out my Telegram channel. There I post live setups in the moment, show real live trades, and explain why I enter exactly where I do. This is not just theory, but practice. The link is in the video description. So let's apply the settings for my strategy so the signals are as accurate as possible. Chart type candlestick, time frame 3 minutes for today. Strategy indicators, Awesome and CCI. Extra settings. Awesome Oscillator. Short period 1 reacts very quickly. Long period 5. This is like a slower moving average. For style, I'll make the main lines bolder. Up orange, down also orange. CCI period 10. This captures short impulses and extreme points well. For style, main lines orange and white, boundaries both set in blue. Together they work great. Awesome gives the first signal of a move starting. CCI shows whether there is space for that move to continue. So the chart is ready and we're getting started. Now I'll show you everything in practice. To start, I've found a profitable entry point and clearly see growth. So I open a trade up for $2,000, trade time 3 minutes. It's actually very simple. Awesome Oscillator shows the line curving upward and rising after a decline. This means new buyer strength is coming in, the drop is exhausted. First signal for a buy. Now look at the CCI. It makes a clear tick upward, bouncing off the low zone and moving higher. That means the market was oversold and is now starting to recover. That confirms the reversal Awesome indicated. On candlesticks, we see another confirmation. A green candle closes above the body of the previous small one. That's a neat reversal from a level. So let's see the result, and trade closes at $3,840. Just perfect. And how about you? Have you already subscribed and liked this video? So let's continue. Today the market has given me lots of signals, and this time it's down for $2,000. I'm predicting a drop in price, and here is why. Awesome Oscillator has started to curve downward. This shows the bullish momentum has weakened and the market is ready to move into a decline phase. That's the start of a drop after a pick. CCI was just in the overbought zone and is now also moving down. That's a signal the price has been rising too long and needs to correct lower. It's pretty clear here. Candles also show that resistance has held, price bounced off it. All three signals align, and this strengthens the reliability of the forecast. And here's a little tip. Never rely on just one signal. Even if all indicators immediately show a drop, always check support and resistance levels. And my trade closes $3,840. I'm quite happy. This is excellent, wouldn't you agree? And by the way, do you actually want not to just copy other traders' signals and strategies, but understand what's going on the market by yourself? In my Telegram, I break down trader mistakes, give indicator setup schemes, and show how to analyze the chart so that every trade has logic. If you're interested, the link is under this video. Join in. Alright, I've found another excellent entry point. This one will likely bring a solid profit. Let's open up for $2,000 because I expect growth. And here is why I did it. CCI came out of oversold territory and turned upward. That's a strong sign the drop has exhausted itself and the market is ready to bounce. Awesome line also sharply turned upward and moved above recent values. That means sellers are running out of steam and buyers are taking over. On candlesticks, there is a bounce from the bottom. A clear visual confirmation buyers are stepping in. 3 independent hints pointing in one direction, up. So the probability of short-term growth increases. Wouldn't you agree? And here is the advice for the future. Better to enter after a green confirming candle closes, not in the middle of it. And so my trade closes $3,840 plus. I'm quite satisfied and ready to continue. Alright, one more trade. I'll open down for $2,000. Maybe you already see the signal points and understand why I did this. But anyway, let's break it down. Awesome oscillator starts curving downward. This shows weakening bullish momentum and power shifting to sellers. Here is exactly the moment of direction change. A sell signal. CCI was around plus 100 overbought and has begun dropping. This means the asset has stopped rising and will most likely start a correction or decline. Here you see the moment when CCI broke its rise and went down. Another sell signal. Candlesticks show a reversal starting at resistance. All three elements point in the same direction. That's a good sign. Entering at a strong level gives higher success probability. And so the trade closes $3,840 plus. Just excellent. So today I showed you how two simple indicators, CCI and Awesome, can give you a really reliable and profitable strategy. Notice that every entry I confirmed with not just one, but several signals. And that's exactly how you trade without unnecessary risk. If this video was useful, I hope you can like it. Also subscribe to this channel and write in the comments which indicator you use mostly. See you in the next videos. I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss it, and happy trading.